So if you look at the door lock, it's missing like a piece right here that kind of holds the rod. And so I went to the parts store and I got like an assortment kit. So hopefully this will help with making the lock work correctly. So this is the driver's side lock, and this is one of the issues that I was having is you see how it moves like so much. It's not supposed to move this much. So what happens is, or the problem is, when I use the key to try to open the or unlock the door, it doesn't. I have to like really try to like move it around, and get to the point sometimes almost like I've broken keys from it. So yeah, trying to see if I could switch this lock assembly out for a new one, or get this one repaired so it can work like normal. Alright, here to test my work. Okay, locked. Unlocked. Fuck yeah. That shit. Perfect.